Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassy, and I'm pretty sure that if you are here today with me, it's because you love the French language, you love the French culture, and you would love one day to travel to France. Or maybe you did it already, but you were not able to fully enjoy the experience. So you know what? That's what we're gonna tackle together. On this channel, I'm gonna teach you to speak French. And when I say it, I mean it. Not only so you can travel and be able to speak a few sentences that you've learned here and there, but really communicate with people, really connect. Because I am absolutely convinced that if you want to fully enjoy the experience while you travel and be a traveler, really not a tourist just taking photos, then you need to have a bit of an understanding of the culture, of the people who live there, and be able to communicate with them. But like, you know, feel comfortable communicating and not stress out and be like, oh my God, they're talking to me, I don't know what to say. I've been in that situation in other countries. It's not comfortable, that's not what I want for you. Also, I don't want for you to go to a French bakery and just be able to order a baguette. They're good, don't get me wrong, not my favorite. And when I hear people saying that is the only thing we eat in France, I'm like, oh, it breaks my heart. So you won't do that because you will know better. It's like paying for water in restaurants. You can avoid it. So my teaching is really a 360 method. I'm gonna teach you a few lessons, mostly in English, so I'm sure you fully understand what I say, but there will also be like cultural points, a bit of history, a bit of food as well. Love it, I'm sure you do too. And a few exercises so you can practice. Because I know practicing from home is quite difficult. I tailored a few video exercises just for you, so you know we can practice, you and I. And you're gonna seem French in no time. My videos are mostly in English, but also in French, so you can practice your listening skills. I know French can seem scary, can seem overwhelming, but I have your back to make it as easy and enjoyable as possible. That's my mission, that you learn French the French way.